Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is April Wishlist Day. If you're brand new here, my name is Sophia, and basically every month I put together a list of 20 home decor items that I've spotted throughout the month. So these are items that I found during March because obviously shops work kind of like a month or so ahead. I also feature a lot of small businesses because I am a small business myself. Just before we get into the actual list, I do have a bit of Invisalign treatment going on, and at the moment I've got elastics on to pull some teeth down, so I'm going to try and speak as clearly as I possibly can. Let's get started with number one on the list. So the first product that I found was actually from Lick, which if you didn't know is a paint company, and I found Beige 01, which I bought myself. So I'm actually planning on repainting our dining room wall. It's quite a long wall and I fancy going for a bit of a neutral shade to go a bit more Scandi and Nordic. That particular wall has actually been quite a few colours now. It was blue at one point, it's been pink. I am not an interior designer, I don't really know what I'm doing half the time. It's just a lot of trial and error. It's been white now for a little bit and I wanted to go, like I said, with a more neutral shade. I just want to also let you know that this is a 2.5 litre tin and it was £38. Next on the list is this set of 6 Afro Art paper egg decorations from Arket. They're £12. Now the nearest one to me is Blue Water and I've just been missing browsing in an actual physical shop for so long, but specifically Arket's home section is so dreamy. If you're looking for something that's Scandi or kind of got that lovely Danish flair to it, then Arket is definitely your shop. I think these are perfect if you've got children or if you just fancy on your next walk picking up some sticks, putting the sticks in a lovely vase and then hanging the egg decorations off of and then placing that on the table centre of your dining table or even your coffee table in your living room. I think they would just bring that lovely Easter spring vibes to your space. Moving on now to this set of 5 French and glass apothecary jars. Don't know if I've said that right. From Rockett St George. They're £30. Apothecary? Let me know down in the comments if I've actually said that right because I don't know. I am loving amber glass at the moment. I've got amber glass in my kitchen as my hand wash dispenser and as my washing up liquid dispenser, and I am going to be doing the same thing in my bathroom when I eventually start designing and focusing on that. I don't know what it is about it. I feel like it's just very Scandi. I feel like Scandi is going to be the key word in this video today, guys. Sorry. I just think they're really aesthetically pleasing. With this specific set of 5, you can basically put them anywhere in a manner of rooms. You don't have to keep them all together, although they look beautiful styled together. I think you actually get a lot for your money because yeah, you could put a bigger one and a smaller one together, so that's a set of 2 in one space, and then you could use others elsewhere. So yeah, I think that's a really great product. This next product is from Mint and May, and the timing of finding this was just perfect. The sun was shining over a couple of days and the rule of 6 had just come back, and it is this is our time print from Mint and May, which is £40, and I just feel like this is our time now to fully enjoy anything normal again and just the great weather that we've had, although it's kind of disappeared again, which is really annoying. But I just felt like putting it into this month's wish list because, you know, the end of lockdown is nigh. I don't know if that's the right word, it's on the horizon sort of thing, and it will be not that long until we can have our time again of being outdoors and just carrying on with living our lives. Next on the list is this small dried wildflower bunch from Sunday Living. It's £20. Now I love plants, but I am starting to get into more sort of dried flowers because they just go more with my style. So yeah, I just think they're really pretty, and it's just nice to have a different manner of things that are living and natural inside your home. Also from Sunday Living, and also works really well with the dried flowers, is this bamboo jug, which is £24. Now I've said this in previous monthly wishlist videos, I am a bit of a sucker for anything rattan, and I love that there is a rattan over the top, over the top of a glass jug. I just think it's really Indonesian sort of style. I'm very tempted by this because there's nothing more annoying when you buy some flowers, whether they're dried or not, and then you get home and you don't have a vase to put them in. It's just very frustrating. I feel like these two products, the flower bunch and the jug, go really well together. Next on my list is Made by Paulina UK. I'm actually featuring 2 of her products this month, but there were so many others on her shop that I quite easily could have featured. She's smashing it anyway, but for some reason I'm really noticing her this month, so I just want to support her and just show you 2 that I just think are perfect for this time of year. She's actually smashing it with the colour choices as well, by the way. So the first one is this Daisy Hexagon Sage Coaster, which is £12. I'm so sorry, I sound so lispy. The colour is absolutely gorgeous and I love the daisy print embedded within the coaster itself. It's just so cleverly put together. It's perfect for this time of year, very, very spring-like. Yeah, I just think it's super cute. The next one is this Daisy Round Coaster in blue. It's also £12 and I just love that it's a proper spring blue. And I really like that she's offered the same design but in the 2 colours. I know the coasters themselves are different shapes. They're their own products and, you know, designed within themselves, but I just like that there's like 2 options. Definitely go and check out her TikTok and all of her other products as well. I found this Vera Poppy's Bamboo Melamine Serving Bowl for £22. I just think it's really, really nice product, and especially if you are planning an alfresco dinner, this would be the perfect addition to that. I also saw from Anthropologie this citrus squeeze bottle opener for £8. I actually spotted this in the window of the Tunbridge Wells Anthropologie store and knew I wanted to feature it in this month's wish list. I love it when companies take quite mundane things that we use every day and they just put a creative spin on it. I just think it would be a great addition for those alfresco moments when you're serving up all the food and then you've got that on the side and it's like a nice like talking point piece. I feel like you could use it for both spring and summer as well. Moving on now to this set of 4 ceramic egg cups, which are £30 from Spicer and Wood. I'm loving anything ceramic at the moment, and these in particular have got these beautiful tones. I like the sort of like texture that's been created from the different paint strokes. Perfect addition to any sort of Easter springtime breakfast. This next product is also from Spicer and Wood, and it's the stoneware jug with stripes, which are £11. I found this product quite interesting because it must have been last month, but I actually bought this from Home Place, and I get that different shops have, you know, the same suppliers and whatnot. I am looking for a sort of like gravy jug, and Home Place didn't actually do the same jug in this style, so yeah, I think I might actually get this. Yeah, I've just decided on camera. It's happening. The next product on the list is this washed linen cushion cover in light blue. It's £8.99 from Home. It's that really nice spring blue again. And although this is quite a plain cushion, I feel like this is a great filler if you're looking to change up the soft furnishings in your living room or bedroom. A seasonal change and just a bit of a freshen up of both of those spaces. Also from H&M is this terracotta plant pot, which is £14.99. And the only reason why I featured it is because I think it looks like a honey pot from Winnie the Pooh. And I just think it's a really nice spring addition. Obviously it's an outdoors plant pot. I had to think about what I was saying then. So it's nice if you want to start working on your garden, because obviously the weather's warming up now, so you can spend a lot more longer out there tending to your garden. It looks like honey pot and it's really cute. This next product isn't actually from a shop, it's from a graphic designer that I found on Instagram. So the product itself is a print, it's Print 004. It's £90+. The Instagram account is For.m Form. I believe they're Danish, but I really like the noodle print and I want to put it in our kitchen because we've got the perfect empty wall space for it, and I really like having sort of like a foodie print in the kitchen. It is a lot to spend on a print, but when I see something that I want, I'm going to save for it and get it. So that is on my radar. And let me know what you actually think of the print, because what I'm thinking is, because there's the blue, it's very similar to the blue that we've got on the walls, and the sort of like terracotta red bowl, that colour is in my tea bag holder that I've also got, and a little like pot that I spray painted terracotta as well, so it ties everything together sort of like design wise. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna get it at some point. Watch this space. Next up is this quart candle holder jar, which is £12 from the Little Hygge Co. I really like this. Not only is it a candle holder on the top, but if you unscrew the lid, you can access the actual jar part of the product. In the photo, you'll see that you can fill it up with water and then put like whatever stem that you want. So this is like the perfect product to have on a table. You can get your styling skills out for this and basically put anything in it that you want on display. I really think this is quite a clever product. This next product puts a massive smile on my face. It's this How Will I Spend the Summer collection puzzle, $48 from Maggie Stephenson. She actually designed the print, I guess, and she's turned it into a puzzle. So not only do you get the enjoyment of putting the puzzle together, you actually are able to then hang up the puzzle piece as a piece of artwork. If you saw my last video, you may have seen or heard that I announced that I'm quite broody and have been for the last year. So this next product is child related. It's the Lorena Canals World Map Parfait. It is £149 from the Bebe Hive. I think I've said that right. I think it's so dreamy and cool. I just think it's so lovely, and I like the educational aspect of it as well. I can just imagine when we have children, me buying something like this and James just being like, what the hell have you just bought? Following along with this sort of baby child narrative, I found this baby bamboo weaning suction section plate over the rainbow design. It's £15.95 from the Little Fenland Eco Shop. I've been buying from this shop quite a few times now and I absolutely love their products. I'm actually going to be doing another video soon where I show you like a bit of a haul of all my recent purchases, because I have been splurging quite a lot, but that's only to do with trying to get certain rooms finished. But going back to this, I just think this is a really, really cool, very Instagram aesthetically pleasing product, and I like that it's bamboo as well and anti-plastic. And lastly, but by no means least, number 20 on the list is this The Cub Seagull hat from Little Hotdog Watson. And if you've been eyeing up this bag for the entirety of the video, I'm just about to show you what's inside. I'm so excited and so proud. I wanted to keep this as like the last product that I talk about because it is very special. And yeah, I'm just gonna get a bit excited now. So I want to show you the bag first. It's so funky. And it's got this really, really nice Little Hotdog Watson initial label. I have obviously opened it. Holographic sticker, like what the, that is so cool. One of my best friends actually designed one of the prints on the hat. And as soon as this was launched, I knew that I wanted to buy it, and I'm one of those girls that has a later on box, again filled with baby/child things for the future. I'm a bit too organised because I also have a dog collar in there from when I worked at Cath Kidston, and it was in sale and it was in the print that I wanted, and so we've got a dog collar, so when that day happens at least we'll be a little bit prepared. So this is the hat. I should actually also mention that this was £27 and this particular one is for 3 to 5 years old, so I'm well prepared. It's perfect for spring and summer, not only because of the print. So all the little seagulls have like different types of beach themed foods in their mouth, so like a little cone of chips, an ice lolly, a little fish. So flipping cool. It also has this back bit, so if you un-velcro it, so it actually protects the child's neck. I also really like the aesthetics of the little ears, and I feel like this is a very unisex design, so it's kind of for everyone really. A little bit here about, okay, So it's smart fabric, keeps little hot dog's head at the perfect temperature, helps keep the buzzies away, lasts up to 30 washes, and it's got a UPF 50 plus top level sun protection from UVA and UVB rays. And it is a product from Great Britain, so it's nice to support British and smaller companies as well. So yeah, definitely go and check out more of her products. They've got lots of other designs on their website, so I will be leaving links anyway in the description below on how you can find all the products that I featured. I'm sorry if you're not thinking about children, or if, like, I don't know, if you already are a parent and you're just sick and tired of hearing about children's products, but that's just what I'm into at the moment. So that was this month's wishlist video. Let me know if there are any companies or small businesses that you shop from that I haven't mentioned yet in my, obviously, 4 videos now of doing this, because it's likely I've not heard about them, and I like to support companies that are not that well known, and of course small businesses. I won't take any more of your time up, guys, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're into home decor, interior styling, bit of crafts, organisation, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video.